Good morning, dear children. This is Sita Devi, Science faculty from DIV High School, AP Janko, Naltu. Welcome, children. Welcome to Safety and First Aid Part 4. Children, what is first aid? Yes, first aid is the first help given to an injured person or sick person before a doctor arrives or a medical aid arrives. First aid for common accidents. Children, as we already discussed about first aid for nose bleeding, today we are going to discuss about first aid for cuts, first aid for minor falls and first aid for insect bite and minor burns, etc. Children, first aid for cuts. If use sharp things like scissors, knife, blades, needles, etc. very carelessly, automatically you may cut your fingers or some scratches on your skin. That time, what we have to do? Yes, first of all, we have to wash our hands with soap to kill germs before giving first aid. And wash the wound with soap and water. Observe, children, if you use sharp things carelessly, you may get cuts. That time, if you are giving first aid to the cuts, we have to wash our hands with soap to kill germs before giving first aid. Then, we have to wash the wound with soap and water and we have to apply some antiseptic cream on the wound. Press down on the cut with a cotton or a clean cloth till the bleeding stops. Observe, children, here I gave a picture. We have to do like this. Press down on the cut with a cotton or a clean cloth until the bleeding stops. And apply an antiseptic cream or liquid or an ointment on the wound. Children, do you know antiseptic creams helps to kill germs? Antiseptic liquid and ointments also kill germs. Then we should cover the wound with a bandage to prevent infection. Listen again, children. First of all, we have to wash the hand with soap water and press down on the cut with a cotton or clean cloth until the bleeding stops. Then we have to apply an antiseptic cream or ointment. Those antiseptic cream or ointment kill germs. Then we should cover the wound with a bandage to prevent infection. For minor falls. Children, do you know what are the reasons for minor falls? That means, what are the reasons we may fall down? Yes, if we walk on the wet floors definitely we may fall down and get some injuries. Okay, that time we have to apply an ice pack on the bruised area, that means swollen area, and take rest. Apply ice pack. How to apply ice pack? We have to keep ice cubes in a cloth and apply on the sprained area, bruised area or sprained area. That means the joint where we are having pain, swollen area or bruised area. Then we have to take rest until we may relieve from pain. For insect bite. Children, tell me which insects bite us? Yes, nighttime mosquitoes. If you go to playground to play, that time honeybees, wasps, such insects bite us. When the insect bite us, they insert a string-like part of mouth and releases some chemical in our body. That's why we are getting pain. If an insect bite, immediately remove the string by pressing both the sides of the wound with your fingers like this. If an insect bite, it definitely insert a string in our body. We have to remove the string by pressing both the sides of the wound with our fingers or by using a tweezer. Apply an antiseptic cream on it or apply baking soda paste. Children, do you know in our kitchen we use baking soda for some food items. That's why we take a pinch of baking soda, make a paste and apply on the where the insect bite. Or apply an anti-itching lotion or cream, that is calamine lotion, on the area where an insect bite. We have to remove the string with the help of a tweezer and we have to apply the baking soda paste or we have to apply the anti-itching lotion, that is calamine lotion. First aid for minor burns. What are the reasons for minor burns? Yes, if you use a fire carelessly or if you play with fire carelessly, especially while using matchstick or burning crackers and using candle, such cases, and if you take hot water from the stove or a steam of the pressure cooker can cause burns to us. In such cases, if we receive burns, what we have to do? Yes, first of all, we have to put our burned area under chilled water. That means we have to pour some cold water on the burnt part. And we should not break the blisters. If any part of our body burn, we get some water bubbles like that. We should call them as blisters. We should not break it with pins or sticks like that. Leave them it and apply a cream on it gently. We have to apply an antiseptic cream on the wound smoothly. Thank you children. We will continue the class in the next video.